Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to print a right shifted star triangle. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code. If you have this application, then you open it and do practice there. Okay, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. If you don't have, then you open online Java compiler and do practice there. Okay, so it is must to practice. Okay, so I need to write here what is right shifted shifted right shifted star triangle dot java. Okay, so I need to write here psvm first. psvm. Okay, this is the main method for the what for the java. Okay, and I need to add here import java dot util dot scanner because you have to take user input. Okay, and here I need to make object for the scanner class so that we can able to take user input with the help of sc object of the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in and then scanner. Here I need to write n. Okay, and now I'm going to first intro. I'm going to first give what is the problem and what is the we have to get output. Okay, so I need to write here add input row. If user will enter input row of 5, okay, then you have to print output triangle. Okay, and then it is like first I need to write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I need to print this one and then I need to print here. Okay, and then I need to print star star star, and then I need to print here star star star, not star like this, star star star. Okay, I need to write here. Okay, okay, we have to print output like this. Okay, okay, this is going to be our output. Okay, so I need to write here 3. Here one star should be there. Here should be 2 star 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 star. Okay, this is going to be our output. Okay, so I need to write here first message to take user input. So I need to write here enter number of rows, and then I need to take that number of rows with the help of variable n. Next int, and then I need to print the output statement. So I need to write here below is the right shifted star triangle triangle. Okay, and then I need to print here for int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. Then I need to print space first. So I need to write here for int j is equals to n, and sorry, j is equals to 1 and j less than equal to n minus I, and j plus plus. You can see the space is equal to the number of I minus 1. Okay, so if you will try run, then you will get this logic. Okay, I need to print here first what this space. Okay, and after that I need to write here one for loop extra to print what star after space. So I need to write here k is equals to 1, k less than equals to n I, sorry, I, and k plus plus, and then I need to print here shout star with a space. Okay, and then I need to print here sc dot one extra line so that cursor can move after printing star in the current row. Okay, and then I need to print here sc dot close to avoid memory leak. Okay, and now I done with the coding part. Now I'm going to execute it. I need to enter 5. Okay, it's wrong here. I have given one extra ln. Okay, that's why it is coming. Now it will come perfect 5. You can see this is the if I have entered number of rows 5, then this is the below is the right shifted. It should be here, should be shifted. Okay, star triangle. Okay, so you can see our result is coming perfectly. Okay, this is the programming part and execution part. You do practice this also. Okay, and now you can see our result is coming perfectly. So I'm going to give write now comment. Okay, so that you can understand the meaning of each lines. Okay, now why I have taken scanner class I have taken to take user inputs. I need to write here scanner class I have taken take user input. Okay, and this is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, and this is the what, this is the main method under which we need to execute, under which we need to write everything everything to execute it. Okay, and this is the object creation of scanner class. Okay, note this, yeah, this is the object creation of scanner class, and this is the message to print number of rows. Okay, message to not print, to take, to enter number of rows. Okay, and this is with the n variable we are storing number of rows in the variable n. Okay, and this is the method, sorry, this is not method, this is the output text, okay, printing, printing message to print. This is the message also, message to print, message to output text printing, okay. To note, it is for message for output text printing, okay. This is the outer loop to control number of rows, okay. And this is the inner loop to print spaces, space in triangle. This is okay. And then this is what, printing two space in in row, okay, I, okay. And then in not one I is printing two spaces in each row. And then this is the second inner loop to print star after after printing a second inner loop to print a star after printing two spaces, okay. Printing, this is what, printing star with one space, okay. And this is what, printing 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 line after printing printing number printing after printing star in the row, okay. In printing line to move cursor next cursor in next printing star in row in current row. And this is what, this is the object, this is what, closing of scanner class object to avoid memory leak, okay. So now I have done with the problem statement explanation, and then coding part, and then execution part also, and then I have write comment so that your uh, concept will clear and you can understand each line. So this is the main things you have to notice, okay. You have to print spaces which is equal to n minus I in first row. If it is, then it will be, if you are entering number of rows 4, and then you need to print number of spaces in one first row 3, means it is n minus 1. If I is equals to 1, then and n is 4, then the number of spaces will be n minus n, means 4 minus 1 3, okay. So this is we have to continue till last, okay. And now I hope you have understand these things, okay. And now I'm going to execute it first, and then I will close it for I'm entering, okay. You can see this is our result, okay. So what you have to do, you have to do try run so that your concept will clear and you can get the logic, and you will be able to make a logic for a problem related to these things. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.